I'm telling you, AI is revolutionizing how we earn from home.
I totally agree. Digital products and content creation have never been easier.
Exactly.
Start with AI graphic design, content creation, or selling digital products online.
Exactly. Or leverage those to enhance your existing business.
That's where the opportunities are right now.
You can also use AI to create videos, manage social media, freelance, or build online services.
You don't need an office. You need AI, your skills, and an internet connection.
And the best time to start is now.
All right, we all know that in creating AI videos, you have to create them batch by batch. That means there are some platforms that give you access to 6 seconds video generation, while there are some that give you access to 8 seconds video generation. I think we also have like Super Grok that give you access to 15 seconds video generation. But I bet you have never heard that there are platforms that can give you access to 30 seconds single prompt generation. That means when you put in your prompt, each scene can be 30 seconds, which automatically reduce your stress so that you don't have to be creating video batch by batch, maybe 80 seconds. You can create direct 30 seconds. All right. You just took different scene of whatever you are creating. All right. 2 batch can just give you like 1 minute. So it's very easy for you to create. For those that are into storytelling and those that are, creating AI movies, it's going to be, this platform is the best for you, and it's going to be very easy for you to make use of. So in this particular tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through this platform and how you can get access to it. So you don't really need to waste your time again using other platforms that give you access to just 8 seconds video generation, which actually takes time. So if you are seeing me for the first time, I want to make sure you watch the video to the end, because at the end of it, I'm going to be showing you certain things, some certain information. View 4.0. I bet you never heard about that before. There is View 4.0 in this platform. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through it to see for yourself. Right, I want to make sure that you watch the video to the end and make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified once I post another video.
All right, so the first thing I want to do is to go over to our ChatGPT. So I already have my prompt, so I'll paste my prompt here. So you don't need to bother yourself about this prompt. If you check the comment section, there's a pinned comment there. So you can just go there and join my Telegram channel. You gain access to all my prompts that I'm using. Also, you can also check the description. You will see the link there to my Telegram channel. So as a professional script writer, give me a 30-second script to video prompt for a professional AI podcast video. The character should involve a male and a female, and the topic of discussion should be the easy way to make money online using AI from the comfort of your home. The ratio should be 16:9, and the video should be a very high interactive podcast with high professional camera movement. So I said that what it should be high professional. That means the camera movement is going to be moving from one place to another. And then the name of the podcast is Engine Tech Media. So ChatGPT is going to go ahead and give us our 30 seconds prompt to video, script to video prompt. All right. Now, one thing that ChatGPT is very prominent with is, you can see what it did. He tried to break it down to 7 seconds. All right. Even ChatGPT is not even sure that you can create 30 seconds video with just one prompt. Okay, that's not what we asked him to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and make ChatGPT to give us just one prompt by telling it, by being specific, that it should give me just only one prompt, that this should be a single 30 seconds prompt. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and type that out, because whether I like it or not, I think ChatGPT is very used to 8 seconds to 7 seconds video prompt. So now I gave it to it. Now I've forced it to create a one script 30 seconds prompt for me. So this is the prompt we are going to be using to create our video from all the platform that we are going to be showing you today. You can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through the script to make sure that the thing is okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just have to copy it. So I'll go ahead and copy everything. So I'll go over to this website what we're going to use. You can see here's the easymate.ai. All right, don't worry about the URL. It will be in the description below. Or you can also see it out, check it out on our Telegram channel. The URL will be there on our Telegram channel. So don't forget to join our Telegram channel. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign up. Okay, I'll sign up really quick. It's very easy with just your email. One click, you have already signed up already. So I'm going to go ahead and put in your email, and I'm going to put in my password. I think I'll have to pause that and come back later once I'm done putting in my password. All right, so we have already logged in to our website. So this is the website I'm going to be using to generate our 30 seconds video. So you can see, so this side give us seedance 2.5. So this, what we're going to be using is seedance 2.5. Is about 2.5 that have these features. Okay, you can see, you can go ahead and check the DP, the ratio, and you can see the duration is 30 seconds, right? So show me AI tools that can give you 30 seconds one prompt, direct image, image to video generation, or direct video prompt to video generation. So I want to go ahead and make sure I paste the prompt here, and I'm going to have to generate. All right. So I will generate that. Let's see the output.
I'm telling you, AI is revolutionizing how we earn from home.
I totally agree. Digital products and content creation have never been easier. Start with AI graphic design, content creation, or selling digital products online.
Exactly. Or leverage those to enhance your existing business.
That's where the opportunities are right now.
You can also use AI to create videos, manage social media, freelance, or build online services.
You don't need an office. You need AI, your skills, and an internet connection.
And the best time to start is now.
Now, haven't seen what this platform is capable of, right? Giving you access to seedance 2.5, right, which is their new release. You can see that it's very, very crucial, and with just one single prompt, you can generate 30 seconds, right? But here is the kicker: there are no platform out there. Most platforms are already adjusting to this, and there are currently no platform out there that will just give you access to creating 30 seconds videos for free, okay? But you have to get their pro version. But the so important thing about this particular platform that I just showed you is that their subscription base is very, very cheap. I'm going to be walking you through their subscription base. In case you're into storytelling and you create AI videos, or you work for clients, you should consider using this particular platform, because it gives you access to access this seedance 2.5 at a very cheaper rate, and a very cheaper rate, all right? Because this most 30 seconds video generation, you will not have a lot of units to be generating them, okay? Because it takes a lot of power and energy, all right? The database you see they are building up and down is to create all these, those data centers are the one that powers this AI. This is a new technology, because before now, it has been said that it's not possible to generate direct 30 seconds video generation in just one prompt. But you can see that it takes a lot of energy and power to generate something like this. And so most of these features are into the pro versions of it. So you can understand where they are coming from, that you have to gain access to the pro version. But the important thing here is that this particular website and platform gives you access to all these features at a very cheaper rate, right? At a very cheaper rate. So the next few minutes, I'm going to be walking you through their subscription-based platform and how you can subscribe to it. All right, it's very cheap, and I'm going to show you that they also have other features that are coming. Like they have View 4.0. I bet you never heard about that before. There is View 4.0 in this platform. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through it to see for yourself. All right, don't forget to hit the subscription button, and make sure you join my Telegram channel. If you check the comment section below, there's a pinned comment section. All right, the Telegram channel link is there, and also if you check the description below, make sure you join the Telegram channel. That's where I drop most of my details and all the prompts that I use, and most information that I get that I cannot be disclosed on YouTube or online. Everything I embedded and I paste them on my Telegram channel. So you have to be there. That's my community. So make sure you join my Telegram channel today. Let's go.
So as you can see, these websites, let me just run you through the website so that you can know what it contains and what it's all about. As you can see, there are so many things you can do with this website. It's not just creating AI videos only. You can use it to create AI chats. You can chat. You can use it for study. All right. So it has so many functionality. So you can see that it has, these are the kind of videos. If you need a very quality videos, you should try out this platform. Okay. All right. If you are going through the seedance all by itself, you can see the quality of the video that it generates. Okay, this seedance pro that you are gaining access through this particular website. So I'm going to be showing you the pro versions. The subscriptions is very cheap. Unlike you want to subscribe to seedance. Seedance is actually very, very expensive. All right, So if you are subscribing to this particular website, you see that it's very cheap and easy, it's affordable. Okay, now apart from seedance, it has others. You can see it has view 4, view 3, and Gemini. Now I'm skeptical about this view 4, so let's go ahead and check out the view 4, because I haven't heard about view 4 before. So let me check it out. Okay, all right. Okay, it's still showing view 3.1. So I'm not sure, maybe the view 4.0 is 100% out yet. But as you can see that this website is very, very current. First of all, it gave us our 30 seconds image to video generation prompt with just one thing. All right, and then we already have view 4.0, though it has not been updated. So you want to go and check it out. So you can see it has not been updated. It's still 8 seconds duration. So I think this is still view 3.1, currently not view 4. I think they are working on the updates, and very soon it's going to be updated very soon. So you can see that this platform is very, very, very unique, and there are a lot of benefits that you can get from this platform. All right, so let me go through some other free AI tools that we have access to. Now you can see here's the subscription base. You can see for your light, you can pay $5.9 per month. Then for your pro, it's just $30.9, roughly $14 per month. You can see it's actually very, very, very cheap. Okay, it is cheap to access, unlike every other platform. So once you pay for that, you're going to have access to so many AI tools. So I want you to go ahead and check it out to see if something that you can try out. All right, so if you have watched my video to this part, I want to believe that you already hit the subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload videos. Okay, there are other AI platforms, like I said before on our video, that there are other AI platforms that give you access to this 30 seconds video generation. Okay, so if you want me to create a video about that, you can then drop your comment in the comment section.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.